Decrease your height.
Small madam.
What's this?
Pap, I come.
You don't ask you to make pap. Like pap. Decrease your height.
Small madam, what's happening?
You heard me well. Decrease your height. You came highly recommended. I don't want any problem. I don't want any talk. You came for her. She's the only gold I have. Her dad is not staying here, so I don't want talks. Everything you are doing makes it perfect. Don't make her cry. Any nonsense you do or anything that makes me stress out myself, you're fired.
No problem, ma'am. Hey, yes, ma'am.
Better. Please get out. Shut your walking foot and get out of my sight.
No problem. Sorry, small madam.
Make custard.
No. I'll change it to custard.
So what's going on here? Morning, darling. How was your night time?
Sorry, ma. Na custard she wants, so I basically do pap. So I won't change it to custard.
Okay, that's okay. I have an appointment I'm going for. Take care of her and remember, don't let my child cry over anything.
No problem.
Alright, darling, I'm coming. Be a good girl.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye, darling.
Mommy, get me ice cream.
Okay, you and ice cream.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, to this nonsense. Come this side. This place.
Alright, no problem. Alright, fine.
Madam, welcome.
Good afternoon. What is going on here?
Yeah, I don't have to clean the house. I want to help your cooking. Yes, I want to help you.
Clean the house.
Yes, Mommy.
Since when?
That time you left in the morning.
You've been cleaning since I left. Is that true?
Madam, your daughter, as I clean, she say, she like the work, she won't join. Now she joins too.
Do you know how long I've been trying my best to make her even clean the table? So she even sweeps. Wow, whatever you are doing, please just continue doing it. You were really highly recommended. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Are you serious?
Yes, ma'am.
You are hey. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. You guys are sure nothing is wrong?
Nothing happened.
Nothing, we just work together. Madam!
Thank you.
Yeah. If I hear
No, I want to again, please. Please, please.
if your mama no fit teach you home training, I